Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset HubSpot account security, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset your HubSpot account security, start by navigating to the login page. Enter your email address associated with your HubSpot account. Click on the Forgot My Password link below the password field. Check your inbox for an email from HubSpot. If you don't see it, remember to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be redirected to the password reset page. Create a new password that meets HubSpot's security requirements. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the designated field. Once done, click on the Reset Password button. You will receive a confirmation message if the reset is successful. Now, log into your HubSpot account using your email address and the new password. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Go to the Security section in the Settings menu. Here, you can enable two-factor authentication for added security. Follow the prompts to set it up via your preferred method, such as an authentication app or SMS. Save your changes to ensure your security settings are updated. Review other security options available to further protect your account. Regularly update your password and security settings for optimal safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.